Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of December 19th, 2017. Charts in this presentation are provided to us by the Trade Navigator software from Genesis. And in looking at a weekly bond market chart here, this is sort of interesting development here. Based on the trajectory here, we kind of thought they might reach the 155 area this week. They certainly haven't done that. We thought they might find support at 53.08 or so. They haven't done that. We've even got 151.24 area down here, and that's a little suspect. They've kind of run through that a little bit. The reason this is really tough is because, you've got this big sideways pattern here that's existed since back in September. And you've got a previous low here at 151. The low for the whole thing is down here at 49.07. So, even breaking this 51.24, it's not something you can necessarily just jump on assuming they're falling out of bed, because it's all just part of this big sideways pattern. Sort of tough to get excited about anything they do here, to be honest with you, although they have come down pretty hard this week so far. It's not going to surprise me if they've overshot this 51.24 by a little bit, but it wouldn't surprise me if they hold in here someplace and wind up closing back within the two moving averages here someplace. Yeah, end of year stuff, kind of tricky to look at position squaring and asset allocation from stocks to bonds and vice versa. Hard to know what to do there. In stocks, guess what? They're going up. Anybody notice that anytime recently? We've got really good upside targets. I hate to call them resistance, but we've got upside targets here in the 93 as 26.93 to 98 area that they seem to have run into. Maybe they'll back off a little bit, but we had to back off on the daily, and you can't even see it on the weekly chart here. The support, if they're going to continue to trend up, is 26.70, and clearly they're well above that still. I keep saying they're going to break down at some point. They're going to give us a retracement. It'll probably be bigger than anybody expects when it comes, but you can't anticipate it. There's nothing to predict it. They're not going to give you any warning. They're just going to fall out of bed when they do. And until they do that, they're going up. I mean, get your 4-year-old out to look at this chart, and I guarantee you they can tell you the trend's up. So, you got to have a death wish if you want to step in front of this. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself